Today is October 5th, if I'm not mistaken, and excuse the breakouts. This week has been stressful overall. If you've seen my latest vlogs, you know that it's been a struggle here. Not as much as other people, but it's still been a little hard for us. I'm finally gonna get to work tomorrow a little bit, but over here in the house, overall, we've come to the decision that we have to leave Puerto Rico, at least for the time being, because so much struggle. And right now my little brother's not going to school. I'm not doing anything with my life right now, so basically we are going to be moving. I am taking down backdrops, trying to sell what I can to at least have a little bit of money, because in my case, since I'm not working, it's a little hard for me. And I also have a pet, so it's a little struggling. We might move to Florida, so we'll see. Hopefully God guides us through this whole passage. I think nothing is, nada es casualidad. So we're taking it positive as much as we can. We're trying to clean the area as much as we can, just because we need a little bit of safety around the house. We don't have fences, like I said, and yeah, so basically I am taking some pictures to upload to my social media just to sell some things, and maybe help other people who need something, so it'll be of benefit to them, trying to sell them as affordable as I can. So yeah.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it
It's very rainy today. We already have Moti's kennel. And, okay, no vamos a poder pasar. No vamos a poder pasar aquí.
Sure.
This is crazy. We can't move. I'm trying to take my boyfriend back to his house, and it's flooded everywhere. So we're gonna have to stay home. My car is too short for this. So we're gonna have to just go home. He'll probably have to stay because this is crazy. Oh my god.
Look on the left. Oh, on the street. Look at that.
This is too crazy. I've never seen this area so flooded, so it's all obviously due to the hurricane, plus there's areas that are already full of water, so just a little bit of rain is gonna start to flood. I tried to look for a way to go to his house, but it's just too dangerous, so we're just gonna go home. We're better off going home.
all of the pain seems to follow. like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it